The power station clock has full quarter chiming. Each quarter hour has a different chime, so traditionally people could tell the time without being in sight of the clock. This is the first quarter chime. The second quarter chime repeats the first quarter chime twice. The third quarter chime repeats the first quarter chime 3 times. The fourth quarter chime is a different single chime to get you ready to count the following hour chimes. Using the bell setting on the clock control panel, the clock can be set to one of 3 chime options: 24-hour, on between 6 a.m. to 11 p.m., and off. With the control knob set to the bell position, each press of the select button will step through the 3 chime options. The clock will speak each selected setting as the select button is pressed.
Chimes on timer. Chimes on 24/7. Chimes off.
Moving the control knob to the select position and pressing select again will restart the clock in the new chime mode.